Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to log into Ocean credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in www.oceanfinance.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for Ocean Finance, click on the Credit Cards tab at the lower left. Now, click on the sign in link appearing at the top right hand corner if you already have an Ocean credit card account. Once the sign in page appears, you'll be able to see the Capital One header at the top. The Ocean credit card is issued by Capital One Bank, so you'll need to sign into your Capital One online account first. Sign into your account by typing in your username in the first text box. Your username can also be your email address associated with the account, so go ahead and type it in correct. After doing so, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or password, click on I've forgotten my username or the password link respectively. If you don't have an online account yet for Capital One, you can register by clicking the register button and following the prompts. After you are sure you've typed in the correct credentials, click the sign in button in yellow and you should be able to manage your Ocean credit card online. That is how you can easily do so. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.